A few months ago, I made a video here on my daughter's BMW. She had this transmission fault error that came up, and we cannot get the car into gear out of park. And I tried everything. I did all that reset stuff, and it didn't work. Went to a lot of mechanics. I finally found a mechanic to work on it, and he changed or rebuilt the transmission. And that's the error that I had before I took it to him. And then about a month later, while I was driving, I accelerated and boom, there you go. This transmission light came on, but this time it says transmission malfunction. The bad thing about this transmission malfunction light is that when you shut the vehicle down and start it back up, this message disappeared. Then a couple of weeks later, I was letting my niece drive it. I was sitting in the passenger seat, and this same thing happened again. She accelerated a little bit too fast, and there you go. You see how that transmission light comes on and it blinks on and off. This is what happened. And she didn't accelerate fast. She was just pulling out of the parking lot. And boom, the light came on and she could not accelerate no more. It stayed like in a first gear. So I'm taking this thing back for the last time. I should have just got rid of it. My daughter was smart. When she had this in the beginning, she told me I could have it. So I said, if she's going to give it to me, I'm going to get it fixed. So I done spent about $4,000 on this thing. And it's been 2 months. And I'm in and out the shop with this same or similar problem. You probably could hear it in my voice. Yes, I'm a little pissed off. BMW, you have disappointed me. I never had a BMW before. I never wanted my daughter to get one, but she decided to get one back in the days. Now she done upgraded to a Mercedes. Lord have mercy. I hope she don't have as much problem as she did with this BMW. But anyway, if you guys have any ideas on what is causing this, let me know or leave a comment in the description below, because I think the next place I'm going to take this is to a junkyard.